Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm the SQL Server Agent service is running and that you have proper rights. Once connected in Management Studio, expand the agent node and choose Jobs. Now create a new job, name it clearly and set an owner. Choose a category so it's discoverable later. Then add a step. Pick TSQL for stored procedures or CMD exec for scripts and write the command. Make sure to save the step before moving on to schedules. Once the job has steps, schedule execution using the Schedules tab, choose recurring or one-time triggers and set time zones and start/end dates. Then configure notifications and operators so you get alerted on failure or completion. Tie alerts to severities or performance conditions. Importantly, define the step flow, decide whether success advances to the next step or ends the job, and set retry counts and intervals on failure. This keeps automated work reliable and observable. You finish by testing and deploying carefully. Run the job manually, watch the job history, and read step output to confirm expected behavior. Once validated, enable the production schedule but monitor the initial runs for unusual duration or errors. If something goes wrong, check the SQL Server Agent log, verify the job owner's permissions and any proxy credentials used by steps, and confirm the agent service account has needed rights. This single troubleshooting step, verify permissions and logs, fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.